glorious day here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're in Volume 2 of BR549. Why? Because, well, why not?
This one's a brand new studio.
Oh, so we're going to go with the SCP, you know me?
Maybe.
Might as well. We're talking about CSP.
Yes, we are. And then it can get really confusing. SCP, CSP.
No.
Okay, maybe not.
No.
Yeah. So what is concrete surface profile?
It's a profile of a concrete surface, generally adapted for flooring or other things on top of the concrete, the interior spaces. And the reason we want to bring this up is a lot of times we talk about getting existing concrete and what we need. And a lot of flooring guys look at a concrete surface profile. Mm-hmm. And the unfortunate thing is a couple of those guys don't really know what a concrete surface profile is. So we wanted to talk a little bit about it today. There's really not a lot to it. So basically, you go into a building where there's new concrete or existing concrete. Mm-hmm. You look at the profile you have on that, and everybody looks at a smooth concrete surface. And generally speaking, that's CSP of less than 1.
Yes.
And depending on what you're trying to do to it, whether you're putting a sealer on it or say a 2-part epoxy, like a thin film, high build coatings, self-levelers or overlays of polymer or concrete, there's actually a concrete surface profile. I'm going to hold this up, and we're actually probably going to put it up above us so you can actually see it. But that tells you about where you need to prep that floor slab for.
Yeah, so it can have something to grip to, I guess.
Right, because everything, whether it's a sealer or other film or coating, they're looking for bond at that point. Yep. And that allows that concrete to be opened up enough to grab that bond.
Yeah, I thought about a problem I've been having lately. We bought a pickup truck for my son, and one of the things that I've had to try to replace is the rearview mirror. Yeah. And so we use this epoxy to put it on the rearview mirror, and so far it's failed twice. Now, I've got to figure out a way to get that rearview mirror to stick. If I could somehow profile that glass to give it something to grab.
Yeah, good luck with that. I ain't gonna touch that.
It ain't gonna
work.
Nope,
nope.
For concrete, concrete is kind of a similar thing. If you're trying to bond something to something that's absolutely slick.
Yeah, I mean, what you're going to end up doing is either bead blasting or grinding, and that's going to tell you how level of prep you need to do. And a lot of times you're really looking at trying to get between a CSP 1 or 3, but that is still a textured surface. It doesn't look like it necessarily, but it really is. So a lot of people will go in and not really do a whole lot of floor prep, and they wonder why things aren't holding too. Yep. And a lot of it's got to do with that. Yes, there's some moisture like we talked about in another one, but sometimes it's not got anything to do with the moisture. It's nothing but floor prep. So if you are looking at for a general contractor, owner, even residential guys, whether you're the owner and you're trying to do something to your garage floor or something else, really look at your CSP. Look at what that manufacturer's calling for you to have, and make sure you get it so that it will get the bond that you need.
Absolutely.
If not, you might have some issues and have no clue what it's there for.
Yeah.
So that's really what we want to talk about a little bit today is just the concrete surface profile, what that looks like, and really why is it needed.
Excellent. And Josh, I need to ask you the question just simply so we address it. With our products, do we ask for a certain concrete surface profile?
Oh, that's the next video.
It is, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Stay tuned. Come back next week for our next video of do we need a concrete surface profile for our absorption needs?
Excellent. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.
Let us know if you got any questions. Thank you much.